Hey, what's up, you guys? This morning I'm doing just a really quick face warm up of some pirate characters. Working on the Dell today using both my styluses, the Dell and the Bamboo ink. I find out after I basically went in and did a review of the Bamboo ink that there were some settings that were off, and I ended up correcting them. But then I found out, they had updated some drivers on my Dell stylus as well, that it edited the pressure curve and made it a little bit more sensitive. So that being said, I decided to go back in today and have a little bit more fun in Sketchbook Pro. So Sketchbook Pro is one of those fun programs that I've used over the years, and it's really intuitive and really quick to use, and a great sketching program. It's really a robust piece of software that I think every illustrator and artist and designer should have, especially since it's free. Yeah, and there's lots of free brushes, and it's on multiple devices, and it's kind of a no-brainer to have, especially since it's so powerful. There's no excuse now if you have a computer or a tablet and you can't afford Photoshop. Well, there's always Sketchbook Pro. So no plugs here. I'm not sponsored by them at all. I've just used their program for a long time, and it's been really great to me. That's pretty much the video for today. I will be uploading the Slimer video soon. I haven't really decided on if I'm going to finish the turn or do it as it is. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and share, please, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye.